Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. The US government shutdown is finally over after 43 days, the longest in history.
It's an honor now to sign this incredible bill and get our country working again.
But the damage is already done. Delayed economic data, cancelled flight, frozen markets and uncertainty everywhere. Yet in the middle of this chaos, something huge happened. The first XRP ETFs have officially launched. Today I'm going to break down what's happening with XRP ETFs, what's happening with Solana ETFs, and what this tells us about the market right now. XRP ETF goes live finally after years of regulatory drama. The first XRP ETF is now officially trading in the US. Canary Capital launched the first one on November 13, and we have a full lineup coming this month. Franklin Templeton, Bitwise, November 19 and 20, 21 shares, CoinShares, Grayscale, WisdomTree. This is real adoption, not hype, not speculation. For the first time ever, US institutions can get XRP exposure through a regulated ETF. In the first 30 minutes of trading, the Canary ETF did over 26 million in volume. Analysts are already comparing it to Solana's ETF launch, and some believe XRP could even outperform if the momentum continues. Now let's talk about Solana. For 12 consecutive days, Solana ETFs recorded $18 million inflows, while Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs show combined outflows of more than $460 million. That pushed Solana's cumulative ETF inflows to around $369 million. Huge number for an altcoin ETF sector that didn't even exist last year. Institutions are clearly becoming more comfortable with the Solana ecosystem, its speed, its through output, and the narrative around DeFi, payments, and AI integration. So why the market looks scared right now? Even with all this positive ETF news, the overall market looks weak. Fear is increasing, volatility is rising, and the shutdown has delayed more than 41 days of economic data, including inflation reports and full employment stats. Markets hate uncertainty, and that's why we are seeing sudden drops and weird price action. Some big names are making bold moves. Michael Burry, the big shot, is shutting down his fund because he says he doesn't understand this market anymore. Warren Buffett is sitting on the largest cash pile in the world. Meanwhile, tech companies are burning money and analysts are questioning whether we are entering a new AI bubble. But here's the important part. Just like the internet in the 90s, these moments of fear usually comes right before massive technological transformations, and crypto is part of that transformation. Payments, stablecoins, tokenization, and the rise of blockchain adoption. The shutdown is over. The market is unstable, but ETF approvals are finally moving again. XRP are entered the ETF era. Solana is showing strong institutional demand, and the next few weeks will tell us how much real capital flows into these products. If you want me to make a video breaking down the top altcoins that benefit most from these ETFs waves, let me know in the comment below. Thanks for watching. I'm Lamia, and I'll see you in the next one.